Hi, this is Gabriela. Welcome for a new video tutorial on Moodle for Teachers EVO Session 2018. Today we are going to explore the blocks on Moodle as students. The blocks are these boxes which contain information about the course, the information students need about the course. You can see the blocks on your left and on your right of your screen. The YouTube channel contains the video tutorials created by Nelly. The activities blog contain all the activities of the course, choices, forums, group self-selections, podcasts, resources, Quiz IQ classes. If you click on resources, you will find the resources of the course, the PowerPoint presentations used in the live sessions, the resource for week number 4 and this link for week number 5. And notice that the layout of the blocks are different in this page. Okay, you can see them on the left, and some other blocks are not anymore in this page. So let's go back and continue. So here you can see the people blocks. So it contains all the participants that take part in this course. The online users block, which shows who is online at this moment, and the comment block, in which you can add a comment. On the right, you can see this sticker block. This is a reward for our work. Nelly always sends it. There is a latest announcement block, the upcoming events block with the next events. Next week we will have our next live session. It is also the deadline for grouping for the collaborative Moodle courses. There is also a block about latest badges. Here you can see the 2 badges I have earned, and the Exavis ePortfolio block, which we are going to work this week, and the search forums block. If you click a word like teacher and click on go, you can filter the forums which contain the word teachers, and you can see there are 301 forums. Or if you prefer, you can click on advanced search and you can make a more detailed filter, okay, by word, by phrases, by date of the forum, okay. So let's go back. And at the bottom there is another block, the administration block, okay. And I want to show you that surely you have noticed there are 2 bottoms in each blocks. The minus hide the information of the block, and if you click on the plus, the information opens up. If you click on this other button, the block turns out into a label, okay, with the information about it. If you click again on this button, the blocks appears in the previous way. Okay, so I think it's all. Thanks for watching me, and bye bye.